Hello, I'm 003, from the Earth 200 years later. Please subscribe to me. In addition to focusing on the plug-in board industry, the leading brand Bull has also joined the R&D and production of digital accessories in recent years. Recently it has crossed over into the mobile energy storage industry with the launch of the Bull Outdoor Power. It has a built-in 165,000 mAh battery pack, supports 600 W 220-volt sine wave AC output and has a bi-directional PD fast charging interface, expanding outdoor play for users. The overall design of the Mobile Power is cool and black, with the main body structure made of an alloy shell, with a rubber anti-slip pad at the bottom to avoid sliding and a top carry handle for easy carrying. The front and rear interface panels are made of glossy acrylic and have ventilation holes, and an internal active fan to form a cooling system. The front and rear panels have an extensive interface configuration, and on the back is the integrated LED cup lighting with separate on or off button for the LED light. Next to it is the most critical AC output port of the outdoor power supply. 2+3 national standard 5-hole 220 volts AC output ports, supporting 220 volts to 50 Hz 600 W sine wave AC output, with 2 circular heat sinks at the bottom. At the top of the front is the DC module output button, which controls all DC module functions on/off, the multi-function LCD digital display, and the AC module output button. The DC area contains a DC input port, 212V10A output ports and a cigarette lighter output port. The DC area contains the DC input connector, 212V10A DC outputs and a cigarette lighter output. A full strip of cooling holes on the bottom, together with an internal fan and rear cooling holes, form an active cooling system. Currently there are several options for the 220 volts AC output of outdoor power supplies on the market, namely sine wave, modified wave and square wave, of which the sine wave option is the most expensive, and of course the most compatible in terms of experience, almost identical to the domestic mains waveform. The 220 volts AC output of the Bull Outdoor Power Supply officially adopts the sine wave output scheme, which can drive power adapters, motor products and various small appliances, exactly the same as those used at home. In addition to its powerful output performance, the Bull Outdoor Power also has a very flexible charging configuration on the input side, supporting a DC power adapter input with a maximum input power of 19 volts 4.72A, 89.68 W, which can be fully charged in about 6.5 hours. The USB-C port also supports a PD fast charging input, allowing it to be charged using mainstream PD chargers with a maximum input power of 60 W, and a full charge in approximately 12.5 hours. An LCD display is set up on the top of the output panel, displaying a variety of real-time parameters such as remaining power, AC, USB and DC, making it easy for users to understand various information about the outdoor power supply. It is suitable for outdoor scenarios such as camping, expeditions, wilderness mapping and disaster relief, and provides stable AC and DC power for drones, cameras, laptops, cookers, digital products and other equipment in remote areas far from electricity. It not only helps users to expand the possibilities of outdoor activities, but it is also an important logistical energy security system at home. In the event of a power outage, the Bull Outdoor Power Supply can provide a steady supply of power to TVs, lamps, fans, digital products, games consoles and other devices at home, so that users do not have to wait anxiously in the dark, hot home. Its DC output module contains 212V10A DC outputs, plus a standard cigarette lighter output to power cigarette lighter-based devices, such as car vacuums, car inflators, car navigation systems and other cigarette lighter-based developments. The launch of this outdoor power supply product shows that Bull is making an effort to enter the outdoor energy storage industry, and make the product line cover a wider area. And based on Bull's strong channel network and superior quality, I believe we can open up a new world of our own in the outdoor energy storage industry. The current price of the Bull Outdoor Mobile Power is 2480 RMB, or $380 on contract.